In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website template in Hostinger. Whether you're redesigning your site from the ground up or just refreshing your current look, changing the template can be an exciting way to breathe new life into your web presence. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, let's start by accessing the website builder. Look for the drop-down menu that will guide us to the design options. This might be located in your top navigation bar or within the sidebar, depending on how your dashboard is configured. Once you find it, you'll want to select the option labeled Change Design. This is our gateway to exploring new templates and giving your site a fresh visual identity. The next step is to enter the brand name and its description. It's important to take a moment here and think about how you want to represent your brand. Your brand name is not just the label for your site, but the first impression visitors will have of what you offer. Make sure it's catchy, relevant, and encapsulates your identity. As for the description, this should succinctly convey the core purpose and offerings of your website. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. What would be the key points you'd want them to know? This description acts like an elevator pitch and should be clear and compelling. Now that you've set the foundational elements of your brand, go ahead and click the button that says Create a Website. This step might sound simple, but it's the finalizing moment where all your input starts shaping into the website you envision. The platform will take a moment to process your inputs, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. It's optimizing your site for a smooth visitor experience. While these steps are straightforward, remember that the design you choose should align not just aesthetically, but functionally with your brand's goals. If your site is content-heavy, opt for designs that highlight this content. Conversely, if you're focusing on visuals, pick a template that showcases images or videos effectively. As you move through this process, have fun with exploring different combinations and styles. The beauty of the Hostinger platform is its versatility, enabling you to test and adjust until you find the perfect fit. And remember, you can always revisit these steps to tweak and perfect your website as your brand evolves over time. That's it. You've successfully learned how to change your website template in Hostinger. Play around with the different themes and features, ensuring you craft the digital presence that truly represents your brand. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.